Smart, highly available, secure. This is how KVM technology works today. With JST MultiStreaming, control room operation reaches a new level of performance. All sources of the control station are efficiently interconnected via the network. Across rooms and locations, any desired application can be controlled and operated on the video wall and at the workstation. Now it's ready to operate with the intuitive MyGUI interface. With dynamic split control, the most important systems are arranged on the workstation displays. A dynamic setup with delay-free operation. No limits applies to a smart upgrade of the video wall with the split view function, plus point source switching across display edges, while external devices are easily connected in the meeting room. The system of the control center monitors background applications with automatic alarm detection. All available sources can be switched on and operated at the interactive tactic table, which is fully integrated into the multi-streaming control system. With multi-streaming, remote connections to distant locations can be realized just as simple as access from external sites. Remote controlling and alarm transmission combined with convenient handling and secure dial-in thanks to two-factor authentication. Networking around the globe with new connectivity standards.